Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
I mean, really think about that. This isn't some trick question. It's our new, kind of scary reality.
Yeah, those old clumsy email scams, they're basically dinosaurs. A whole new digital monster is here. And this monster has a name: Social Engineering 3.0. It's AI that can sound exactly like anyone. And oh boy, is it busy. We've seen a massive surge, over 1,200% in AI phishing.
So how does this digital shapeshifter pull it off? Well, it has a simple 3-step playbook. First, it learns all about you online. Then it becomes someone you know. And finally, it strikes.
Seriously, just a tiny clip from a podcast, that's all it needs to perfectly copy a voice. And here's the kicker: this tech isn't some secret. Bad guys can easily get their hands on it. But this isn't just theory. Let me tell you a true story from back in 2024. It started with an odd email, so they did the smart thing and asked for a video call to check. On the call, everything looked and sounded perfect, so convincing the worker went ahead with the orders. And those orders, they were to transfer over $25 million. Turns out, not a single person on that call was real. Every single one was a deepfake. That single event, and others just like it, changed cybersecurity forever. There's no going back. The AI Rubicon has been crossed. We're in a new era. Our defenses have to evolve, and fast. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.